how to fix Instagram filters in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. All what you have to do is just go to the settings page on your phone, and then go to the apps manager, and then go to apps here in the top, and here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded. Click here, and then click on the power usage details, and make sure to click force stop in the power analysis, and go back, click on the force stop again here, and this time, I'm sorry, and this time click on storage, click on clear data. And yeah, that's it, guys. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if the video was helpful, I hope you leave a comment. See you later.